The months in Basque are really quite interesting. Most of them are very Basque words, but I bet you can guess which ones are borrowed from Latin. Hi, I'm Shanna, and this is Basque Berserk. A long time ago, there were lots of different names for the months in Basque. The Euskaltzaindia, the authority on Standard Basque, finally decided about 50 years ago on the standard names for the months. This is more or less because everyone was resorting to the Spanish names of the month, and that's not cool. Here we'll take apart those official names, but I'll also show you some dialectal names for the months.
Urtarrila, urtarrila. January.
This word is generally accepted as urte, year, plus berri, new, plus il, month. So essentially, January is the New Year month.
Otsaila, otsaila. February.
Otsaila is oto, wolf, plus il, month. So basically, the month of the wolf. Isn't that awesome?
Marchoa, marchoa. March.
In case it wasn't obvious, Marchoa is a borrowing from the Latin word, named after the Roman god Mars.
Apirilia, apirilia. April.
This is also obviously a borrowing from Latin.
Maiatza, maiatza. May.
Yep, another borrowing from Latin.
Ekaina, ekaina. June.
This word probably comes from ekia, from eguskia, and gain, above. So this is like an abbreviated way to say when the sun is at its highest.
Ustalia, ustalia. July.
This word comes from usta, crop or harvest, and il, month. So the month of the crop harvest.
Abustua, abustua. August.
This is yet another borrowing from Latin, although it's hard to tell with the B instead of the G.
Iralia, iralia. September.
This is generally accepted as ira, fern, plus il, month. So the month of the fern?
Uria, uria. October.
Some sources say this is from the word uri, which means scant or scarce. Other sources say it's from ur with an H, meaning hazelnut. I tend to lean towards the former, meaning scant or scarce, because October is a month of scarcity, I guess.
Asaroa, asaroa. November.
Asarwa probably comes from asi, seed, and aro, season. So basically, the season for planting seeds.
Avendua, avendua. December.
Avendua also comes from Latin, and it basically translates as Advent. And that's it. Hopefully with this video you gained some insight into the Basque names of the months. So tell me your birthday month in the comments, in Basque of course. Thanks for watching. Agur!